Cow dung.
Cooking, na?
Ha.
We can also use.
You can take one. They wanted to cultivate, is not it? And it was totally plain area. Okay, and there is no water source from outside. After some rain or something like this, it become wet. That's why they a portion of that land they digged, and the water came out and saved there. Now they are cultivated. Then this water will help. Means in sacrifice of a small land, you are enjoying the cultivation of larger land. Is not it?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, boss. Bye. Good idea.
Good idea.
Cow dung.
Cooking, na? We can also use.
You can take one.
Wait, what is that?
Here. You know that name of the level. Is that one that catches? Yes.